Oh, okay. I think you guys can hear me now. Except my sound balance is really bad. Let me see. How do I fix this? Well, I guess the way I fix this is I just bring this down and then bring everything up, right? Yeah. Oh, this is a little bit better. Yeah. Okay. So how are we? I was hoping to stream earlier today, but then I was on campus earlier today, so I could not. So I basically spent like a few hours on campus working on the other project that I was streaming about the other day. And then I came back and I slept for a very long time and I just woke up basically. So degenerate, I know. And now we need to work on this other project because programming never ends, I guess. Yeah, I guess the other thing is the I don't know the theory behind it, but apparently it is. I don't know if it's a real-ish thing, but basically, like, how should I say? Like, basically, when you I don't know where this belongs. Maybe here. Yeah. No, that is not right. Yeah, none of this is right. Let me think. Oh, I need to split this. Okay, yeah, but anyways, what was I saying? Um, yeah. Sorry, Jesus, still killing me like it always is. I mean, fine. I woke up like I don't know, a half an hour ago or something like that. But then it's what it is. I feel like the motor skill is not fully awake yet. I just like essentially spill like a bunch of tea on my cup, so that is not so fun. But yeah, it was luckily did not get over my laptop, otherwise it would have been terrible. Yeah. But what else was I going to say? Oh yeah, new cover. So that is, I guess, one of the reasons why I kind of, even though I was already being kind of productive on campus earlier today, mm, I still want to stream something. I don't know what's the theory, but other like VTuber streamers always do this. Always try to stream like right after they release a cover. So there is that. Yeah. So that's also what I would try to do. Yeah. Oh, already exist. What do you mean? Oh, so I just get rid of this. Good. Yeah. Okay. So what was I saying besides that? Shoot. Um, Sorry, my brain is not fully awake yet. Well, first of all, I wanted to. Well, I want to chat about the cover. So yeah, what do I want to say about it? Well, I guess first thing to say is just like incredibly undercooked. I mean, I feel like it's not as undercooked as the ones before this one, but it's still not something I'm super happy with. But basically, like end of semester, I kind of want to have to push something out before the before I go to Taiwan, right? So there's that. I mean, I basically spent like a big chunk of, I would say, pretty much just almost the entire weekend recording and doing retakes over and over again. And I feel like even at the end, I still am not super happy with it. But it's like this, yeah. Mm. So why the song Type of You? Um, I guess it's just a song I like, and I listened to it a lot, like in the first I don't know year or two of my. Well, I shouldn't say that because then you guys can infer some information I don't want to say. I don't want you guys to know, but wait, let me do my nose first. Yeah, sorry about that. Um, yeah. So what was I going to do here? Um, what's the cleanest way of doing it? Let me think. Oh, maybe this, right? And then, uh, okay, and then this is going to be really, really. bad if I did incorrectly, but I guess it also means I will know very fast if I did incorrectly. So I want to get rid of this here, and I want you to just keep this here. And then I wanted to do what? Well, is this even correct? Oh, we'll see. Yeah, doesn't matter. And then relay. I want to do for the test. I wanted to. Yeah, sorry. I should not get trapped in the programming rabbit hole. I feel like I am going to if I don't remind myself to not do that. Yeah. But what was I saying? I remember. Uh, wow. This is um. Yeah. So something about this song. Oh, right, right. Yeah, okay, so you does not compile because of course why would it, right? Um for real? Did I typo? I guess I did typo. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, good song, yeah. Um okay, so what was I saying? Right, the song, yeah. So maybe I would just say it's something I listened to quite a bit when I was first a what is it called? Like first starting grad school when I was very, very, very motivated and wanted to be very, very productive. Yeah, I mean right now I still want to be productive, but it's just basically back then I had so much determination. Yeah. Okay. So now Liz should be a bit less unhappy, right? No, I mean it's still going to be very unhappy because now this is going to like me. Yes, is it actually low? I'll be surprised if it actually does. I mean, maybe it should. Yeah, I don't know. Hmm. Oh, maybe. Hmm. Okay, so where are we? And we're talking about something else. I don't know. Yeah, let me think because I feel I'm actually losing my train of thought way too much. Oh, I see a cupcake at the other end of my room. I'm not sure if at some point I need to get up and grab it and eat it, but maybe not right now. Yeah, so let me see. Don't want any of this. But yeah, so I guess that is kind of why, like, I feel like a lot of things I cover is just a thing I listen to, and I mean it makes sense, right? Like Yosobi is, I mean Stones are amazing, yeah. So yeah, I don't know, like what I feel like this is maybe one of the things that I do because it sounds good, not because it has very, very deep personal meaning. As opposed to the other stuff I covered, I guess. So it is what it is, yeah. I guess the other thing is that I actually was going to cover something else, but then the other stuff I just couldn't get it ready. Or by the way, sorry about this like politically incorrect what is it called thing on the what is the terminologies on the screen. It's basically the programmers terrible community, but because this is just how these things are, always is not my choice to rename it. Or to yeah. Anyways, so what am I trying to say here? Yeah, I wanted to refactor this into a let me see here. How do I do this? Sorry. Wait, I'm not looking at the right thing. Yeah, no wonder I'm confused. I mean, of course, right? Um, how do I do this? Well, somehow, yeah, let me get my notes again. Okay. And then yeah, maybe this and then this just go where does gamma goes also into a here, right? And then I can see if the thing still builds good. A what else was I going to say? Yeah, I guess this another big thing this weekend is of course the wow you because I wanted to not have this here, I wanted to have all of this here, right? You fix the spacing. But yeah, like I guess the other big thing this weekend was the what the FF14 fan fest, right? With a new X pack being released. I mean, not released, being announced, and apparently people were like it restores a lot of people's faith in FF14, and now we are. Oh, I didn't save. Okay, yeah, and it's just been restoring a lot of people's faith in FF14, and I feel I might also play one of these days. Oh, huh. Let me see. Oh, because right, okay. So I wanted to a what do I want to do here? Oh, this is hard, isn't it? Yeah, this is really hard. Let me think. Wait, IO? Why is it part of IO? Because you have initial priors. That is why. Let me think. A uh, oh, this is hard, isn't it? A you. How do I even do this? Do this right? Wait, but if I wanted to do this anyways, couldn't I just shoot? Okay, I thought this was something that I would be able to just, chat while doing, but apparently this is a lot harder than I thought. So refactoring, right? It turns out that this is a bit harder than refactoring, but it's just what it is. But still, like, what do we have here? Well, first of all, like, this should be like no instantiation things are fine. It's the non-instantiate things that is they are a bit harder. Let me see. Lo, is there any easier way to think about this? I mean, that is one of the easy way to think about this. Yeah. And then there is one that worries. I mean, there are still tons of them though. Just a couple, just a little bit less. Um. Oh, so I just want to cast all of this into bits. Yeah. But yeah, like okay. Uh. Yeah, I guess this is what I get for basically just having been here after just waking up and not really think about any conversation topic before I just turn on the stream, and now my brain is not working, and I see a bunch of red letters, and I am sad. Let me go pour a bit of water so I can make more tea. I'll be right back. Right. What did I miss? I guess why was I on campus earlier? My teammate or Kohai or however we call him, he basically told me some stuff that I don't fully believe in. So I basically just try to get on campus to kind of get on the same page. Well, that sounds terrible. It was actually not that bad, but yeah, it's like this. Yeah. Um, check message. Okay, so go my nose again. Mm, and then this is a maybe just this, yeah. Sorry. But yeah, okay. So what were we saying? What is this? I don't know if I should. Um, I will pretend there's no. I pretend none of this exists, right? Yeah. Okay. So where are we? We are refactoring. That is what we're doing. A and then this is yeah. Funny thing is, if I can get this very done like very quickly, then I might even be able to go like switch this to a gaming stream or something. There's so much video games things I also kind of want to do, but I guess it's like this, yeah. That at some point it would just be hard to yeah. I don't know if this is working the way I'm hoping it does. I think it might be. I'm hoping it is. Okay. So a this texture of this and that, and then C to V. Um. Okay. Yeah. So it's set to a oh, you. I just see what are the problems here. Wait, what song is this? Oh, okay, that's good. Yeah. Uh, I feel like my entire brain is just completely frozen now. There's just, I feel like the other problem is that there's just like more on my plate than I hope, and because of that, I feel like so many background processes running, and now my brain just really slowing down. I mean, it sounds like excuse, and that's terrible, but it's, yeah, and maybe it's an excuse, yeah. Mm. But I guess it's like this, right? So this is actually var, right? Something like this, I guess. Oh, and wait, no, this is wait, huh? Huh? No, then I might as well just do this, right? But is that what I want to do? I feel like I feel like there's a lot of things I hate. Uh, there's so much that I hate. Yeah, I don't know. Let me think because I feel like no matter what I do here, I will not like it. Okay, I mean this is maybe I don't hate it way too much. I don't know. No, I definitely hate it, right? Yeah, I definitely hate it. Okay, good. Um, what do I do to hate this a little bit less, even just a little bit? I don't know. Um. Uh. Oh, that is my kettle finishing cooking. So I have hot water now. That's amazing. Yeah. I guess this is what I get for not thinking before turning on the stream and just kind of, yeah, I guess the other thing is at least refactor work. Like I really should be done refactoring since I don't know, like days ago. But last week it was the final exam, right? And then weekend I was recording, so I pretty much had like no time to work on it. And tomorrow there's a meeting about it, and I don't think I'm actually going to have this ready by tomorrow. So I don't know what to say here. I mean, I guess that means that there's a argument I should just give up and play video games. Um, Between that or I actually sit here for the next like I don't know 3 or 4 hours to get this done, which is also like possible. So maybe it's too early to give up, right? Yeah, yeah. Oh, I hear people in the living room. That's amazing. Yeah. I feel like if I do anything, I mean, no, this extends bundle. So if I do anything in here, this is just a empty pattern. So if that is the case, then yeah, I guess the question is how or when do I cast things from bits back to actual numbers, right? Hmm. And you'll be here, right? Yeah, that might be the right place to do it. Yeah. Um. Yeah. So this would just be raw messages, and then a okay. Can we do this? Yeah, I think I can. Um, good. Yeah, okay. Let me quickly um make more tea. Yes. So let me see. I guess another cup of matcha is always good. Yeah. Finishing the matcha, and maybe either have cupcake or macaron to go with it. Well, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but there's also like so much noise outside. Like this fire truck thing. Yeah, it's hard to focus and hard to program with like yeah, with basically things everywhere, distractions. But it's what it is, yeah. Okay, so what do I do here? I basically try to remember what our message is, which would be a yeah, I mean, this is instantiation, so I can just do this, right? I think some people are cooking something, and which is not necessarily a bad thing. Smells decent though, actually. I feel I shouldn't be hungry right now, but smelling food is always makes me hungry. So there's that, yeah. But anyways, where are we? We are going to a yeah. Oh, then this is just a just this now, yeah. And then I can say that a if I remember how to write Scala do this, right? Uh Something like this, I guess. And then after this I can just do input payload, I guess, just to be a bit more careful here. Not that it really matters. Yeah. Okay. Now this might or might not be what we want. Chances are it might be what we want. Um, I mean now it's just going. Oh, no, that is not quite there yet because when I instantiate this, I need to give it I change the list of parameters. So where is this thing created? This is created in a check node. So I need to do this. Okay. And then I need to do this. And then if I did this, I will have to do one more layer up here. Then where is it? I feel like there's like, oh, okay. And then just do a lot of message passing, I guess. Oh, maybe it stops here. Let me see. Tenor graph. Ah, okay, perfect. Is this going to work? Somehow, oh, what's your lowercase? Why not? No, I mean uppercase is fine, yeah. Sorry, there's just too much distractions, programming stuff. Yeah, it's a 14. Like, okay, so I feel like in terms of the 14, what is this? Does it not know about the node I should know about this is Nissan. Okay, this thing is going to break if I did that, but still, that's fine. I will just have to fix everywhere. Blow my nose again. Ew, that is terrible. What do I do? What do I even do here? Um, um, really? Um, what do I? Uh, oh, shoot. Do I need to do this really? I mean, I kind of have to, right? So I have to just what assign from bits, I guess. If I just did this, is it going to work? I don't think so, right? Um, is this how it should go? Assign from bits. Ah, more politically incorrect things. Amazing. But still, like, it's not getting not find a very nice thing, which is just why it is. What are we doing here? Can I just okay? So it takes bits. Can I just like how do I even just zero out something? Let's say I don't care what it is. Can I just oh let's do this right? And then it's zeroed out. Yeah, I think that might be the might be a way to go here. Good. Yeah. Okay, and then now what do you mean you don't know about this? I know I added this just now. So you should know about it, yeah? Ordeana safe? Is that actually it? Fine, let me just rebuild. Yeah, what we're saying. I feel like I mean, yeah, we're talking about a cover thing, but I feel I ran out of things to talk about cover wise, so we started talking about FF14. Yeah, so in terms of FF14, basically I wanted to what is this? Hard type does not feel. Wow, the was not nice song. Yeah, one of these days I want to. Oh, right, right. So piano cover wise, I guess the other thing is I wanted to wait. Does it for real? Um, does it want the thing constructed? I guess so, right? So, um, yeah, I think it actually wants the thing constructed somehow. 26. Okay, so actually one this. I guess that makes sense. I don't know Scala to say if it makes sense, but if that's what it wants, then it's what it wants. Yeah. Okay, good. Now I think it's still complaining, but it's complaining about something else. That's good. Because it is because that's not how it works. Yeah. Um, I need to get my Vim key binding back at some point. Do my nose as well. Good. Where are we? We are trying to. Well, okay. So let's wait. So first figure out everything on the check message on the check node side, and then we do the variable node side. So on the check node side, what else is missing here? It's saying this is not found. But then that just means I didn't import it, I think. Ah, Takebuchi sounds so nice. Yeah, red, red. Uh, everything's red. The entire world is red, and we are scared, terrified. Okay. So this is okay. So this is raw, which means this is supposed to be bits. This is not raw. This should be raw. Um, so this should be what a just like bits, and then a yeah, and then this should also be bits, right? Make sure like this is okay. That's not a flow, and then this should just be a yeah, good question mark. And then what do I even do here? A this would be okay. So this is raw, and this is also raw, so it should go through. Um, I don't know anything anymore. I mean, it should not go through. Yeah, it should never be that easy. Um, what is this? Oh, raw message. But then, okay, sanity check. Does this match? This is this many bits. And this is also the same number of bits. So in principle, it should match. Yeah, okay. And then what? Oh no, that's fine. Yeah. And then variable is for later. This is uh that is easy to fix, so I can fix now. And this is also, yeah, all of these are easy to fix. I can fix now. Yeah, okay, good. So and then this, and then what did I do? What do I, where is this used? This is used in variables, right? So I just need to, yeah, okay, I need to make like medium changes again. In fact, am I even changing the right things? I hope I am. The LF, whatever. Okay. Uh, I know my like upper lowercase stuff is also incredibly inconsistent, but that is just how it is. Um, so now this is also change the tender graph again. Um, okay, and then decoding quality as well. Where is this thing? I don't even know if this is where this should belong. Chances are it's not, but it's also just like this. And also I don't know how much about this should I be explaining. I'm trying to, yeah, I guess that is the difficulty, right? At the beginning, I was thinking to not explain much because it's too technical. But then at the same time, if I'm just getting tripped up by this and not doing any other kind of meaningful chatting, then this is just even worse content if I don't explain it. Yeah, so I don't know. I feel like in the ideal world, I should be able to just chat about completely unrelated things while programming. And I feel like there is still a world where I would get good at it, but I just need to somehow at some point get good at that. Um, yeah, it should be bits, yeah. Let me see. Well, how do I? This is, yeah, these are bits. So I would just say that these are, let me see. C2V, uh, C2V is, oh, so I just do, a split, yeah. Do I need, what is it called? I think this is fine, yeah? I mean, I'm still getting a huge list of things complaining, but hopefully that is one less thing. Type mismatch. What? Some of this, which is, ew. What is this? So we are saying, well, first of all, like this should not be part of the instantiation thing. This should just be the framework. But I feel like something else is missing about this. I cannot quickly. Oh, because yeah, because all of these are. Let me think. Because I feel like something is incredibly bad about this. Um. No, like this. Okay, so I feel like these parameters maybe they should be read from. I don't know. Something is very strange here because like yeah, the data flow is just incredibly bad. Let me think. Yeah, like there's no reasonable way to pass this or to try to get this into the thing. Um. Well, because this should be part of a framework and not should not be here. So let me see. But if I make these things up, I mean, if I make everything, what is the word? Like fully general, then what happens, right? Um, oh, then I can subclass this. Do I want this to subclass that? I think I do, right? Yeah, I think I want this to subclass that. Yeah. Um yeah, I think so. It's such a oh shoot. Um, and then you do a lot of other stuff to take this into account. But let me think. Because if I did this, then a lot of this would technically make sense, right? I mean, I don't know if I like it. Chances are I just hate it, but still, yeah. Um, yeah. In fact, like, then this is just terrible, right? Well, first of all, then I don't want this anymore. But I feel like this is not the only problem here. Also, why are we using randomness here? Because oh, of course, that's where you. Let me even. Okay, let's fix the easy part because I feel like right now I'm just getting nothing done because I'm not even dealing with the easy problems. So let's at least deal with the easy problems, yeah. Um, so these are let me see I do this and then I do well. I feel like things are wait what? Where are we? No, this is this and then this is where are you taking the minimum? You're taking minimum in here, which is you are taking minimum in here. So yeah, and then I know like everything I'm doing right now is not consistent, and I know I will suffer for it, but I cannot think of a better way to do it for now. I mean I do, but I have to do it step by step. Until uh, wait, what? But huh? Hmm? Wait, what did I do just now? I feel like I did something wrong. Oh, wait, what? What? Um, oh, right, okay. Programming is suffering. Well, not really, but yeah. Let me see. So this is 3. Actually, do I need? Yeah, the 3 version definitely needs it, and the 6 version also needs it. Yeah. Okay. Now I just need to pass it both in the 3 and the 6 version. Ew. Oh, okay. So this is passed here, and I'll just pretend this. Yeah, scrap that. There's just too much. Wait. So this is 6, and it must create. Okay, yeah, there we go. Where are we? Yeah, we are refactoring. That's where we in FF14. Oh, right. So the other thing, I guess back to the cover. So I am getting a piano teacher. I mean, a music teacher, to just to try to figure out like how to actually make covers, because I feel like a lot of what I'm doing right now is just like completely just brute forcing through things, and that is maybe not the best. Yeah. Like like basically I just spent like I don't know 20 hours or whatever writing a song until I eventually stopped playing wrong notes. But then there's gotta be a more efficient way of doing it, or maybe I just have the wrong picture on how long things should take. But even if that were the case, I need to know, right? Yeah, so there's that. Uh, I feel like this thing is just never going to compile, to be honest. I mean, well, sooner or later. And since I started exactly, and this is exactly why, yeah, it's imported. Wait, imported twice? Really? Oh, because it is you. Okay, maybe for now I will take. Yeah, I will take this out for now and bring this back later, just so at least we have something to work with. Otherwise there will be no end to this. Yeah, and then some of variables and some of messages and tender graphs. Variables, some of well, okay, let me fix this first. So to means you for real? I mean, of course you are for real because programming is what it is. Yeah, I guess this is also where vibe coding would have been useful if I'm good at it. Like, I could just get some AI to write this for me, and I could write a little bit less. But that is for me to learn next time. Yeah. Okay, that should take care of a couple more error messages. So now I just need to do something similar here. Another good song. Yeah, I feel like I really like my entire thing. Yeah. Okay, and then import that. And then I will have to fix this. So it will do this, right? Is it going to build now? I it's not. It's definitely not because they oh, and this is well, it did not build for a different reason from what I was expecting, which is maybe not ideal. Wait, did I just not save? No, like instantiations and then relay per oh. Okay, yeah. That is a fine. There's so much of a refactoring. Also, my screen is tiny, which probably also kind of hurts the productivity. But it's what it is. Yeah, okay, this is kind of what I was. Well, okay, this was what I was expecting, but this is not. So but this is fixable, I think. Okay, so quality evaluation. I'm surprised that that is where I am doing this thing, but why not, right? So another good song. Yeah, I'm getting so much from from what is it called again? The Kami something. Yeah, what was there? I don't know what are the what is the name of that group, but yeah, from that group. I mean, it is good. I'm just surprised by the amount of recommendations from them today. That's amazing, though. That's amazing. Yes. Okay, so okay, these two I need to fix, but what is this? This is saying that okay, so it's saying that this is bits, but this is wait. Oh yeah, okay, yes, good. So this means that I need to finally do something about this. Yeah. Shoot. Okay. What is it again? A and then what? And then 20, which would be a okay, and then I would do a yeah, okay. So do this and then just do a usual conversion here. this should not be in, this should not be IO anymore. It gets demoted because there's like this. Yeah, what was I saying? Oh, no, I cannot, right? Uh, and then what is it? Oh, something like this. Yeah. Okay, and then now I would just have to fix it on the other side, which would be a on the tenor graph. Yeah. Okay. So on the tenor graph, I have this thing which is basically like a push, really. Wait. Oh no, I just have to do this, right? And then these are what are these? Are these also bits? These are not bits. They should be bits. But then these are bits, so this is fine. I just need to do something here. So what is this? Prior in. Can I just? Then no, I mean this is not good for various reasons, right? Unless this is actually good, but no, like on the top level, it should not actually. Um, yeah, I feel like at top level, this should not be treated as bits, right? Let me see. Because these are. Wait, don't tell me these are actually bits. I mean, are actually non tenor graph dot pair in cache initial pairs, input. Okay, there's a lot of technical debt. There's a unbelievable amount of technical debt or whatever. Where is this defined? IO. Um, IO says that this is oh sure, yeah, I think this is actually going to go through because I just need to somehow replace everything with this, but now you why not? Um, wait, what? You. I think I did some really stupid things. Let me see. So this is, oh wow, here are people in the living room. That's amazing. Oh, because this is our 0, I don't need to. Wait, so what did I do earlier? Yeah, what did I do earlier? I basically changed the variable thing to row. So what I wanted is actually this, right? And then oh, misspell. Okay, and then what? This is 86, which is a I think it's this, yeah. It's actually compiling. Is why is it not compiling still? Wait, for real? I feel like I should not have any indexing box like this, but sure. So a what is this? So a wait. So what's this? This is a flow. So wanted to wait. Do I just push? But then this is really strange, no? Oh, this should be a flow. Um, ew. Okay, yeah, so I need to do this, right? Wait, do I? Yeah, I think do this, yeah. And I need to do a, what is it called? Something like this, yeah. Um, this takes care of this, but then what about this? This is just saying that a, saying that, yeah. Okay, is it actually going to compile? I mean, it is. I was expecting things to be a lot more painful. I mean, that just now was painful, but I did not. Okay, I guess the pain is not over yet. Okay, so why? Because this is. Let me see. What is this? This is okay. Yeah, that is maybe not that bad. Um, yet. I mean, chances are it will be worse soon, but okay. Why not still? Because this were a hmm? Hmm? What? Wait. So this is uh it is a bit dumb, but it's why it is, right? Okay, sure, whatever. That is fine, yeah. And then a good. We're making progress. Actually, what? Well, I guess the $1 million question is if the test goes through, because if the test does not go through, then we'll be oh okay. What do we do now? Hierarchy violation. Are you really? Mm, that's very red and scary. Actually, I'll lose my mind here. Let me see. A variable to see valid something something. Oh, because I'm trying to, let me see, to zero valid. This is driven by, oh, should be the other way around, shouldn't it? A, yeah, definitely should be the other way around. Um, and then how about the from C thing? Is the other thing also the wrong way? Let me think. Oh, misclick. Um, what is this, right? This is my output. So I want to say this is, yeah, this is also wrong. Uh, wait, so this should just be a, wait, should it? Let me see, this is my input. So I wanted to, no, it was right this way, yeah. I mean, I'm probably still going to see everything being red, but hopefully, I mean, that is one, there's like 5 less red things out of like million, so there's that. Oh man. Unless you actually elaborate which elaborations, 2000 errors, of course. Why? For real? What is this? C to V inputs payload row messages. What is this? Well, first of all, close everything because otherwise, like yeah, there's so much that I feel like it's not understand, like none of it is understandable anymore. Okay, good. So this is I already got the payload, right? So this is supposed to be just message, but then this is wait, is there a mismatch? How? Um, so what are these raw messages, right? These raw messages are a message length, which is a wait, you are telling me these are different lengths. Why? Oh, because these are a side and unsigned. So I wanted to say a I need a side bit. So a let me think. Should be this, yeah? Because all the messages are signed, I think, right? I mean, it's probably still not, yeah, still 1,000 errors. Actually, assignment overlap, for real? Because a, let me see, variable, what's going on here? 28. This is, oh. This is, wait, but no, that makes no sense, right? Because this is, wait, this is out, this is output, right? They're really not, wait. So this is in and this is out, which means I had it right. It's not, I feel like, I don't know if I'm just being very blind or what, but this is not good, right? No, I mean, this looks a little bit more intuitively correct. Not that it really helps because I'm probably still going to see 1,000 errors. Um, it's why it is, right? And I know that I've stopped talking about interesting things like long ago, but it's why it is. Uh, I was talking that I was getting a piano teacher. Well, okay, a music teacher. I mean, because the person is yeah just to figure out how to do covers. So that will be fun. The first meeting is this upcoming weekend. So you why um I don't know what to do if it doesn't work because there's just no ah I don't know. Do I just kind of like stare at this and try to figure out what's wrong? I feel like that is going to be a really painful thing to do though. I feel like that's just what I have to do now. Yeah. So let's look. So a see if I made any breaking changes, right? So a this is let me think. Yeah. And then this is sensible. This is all of this is sensible so far. And then these are well I did this, which is fine. And then this is a initial prior should also be one more bit, right? Initial priors. No, like this is, I did not change this, yeah. So that is also sensible. Like this is just a rename of the exact same thing. And then this is a, yeah, this is sensible as well. How about this? I wanted to say that this is, yeah, this is should be a right number of bits and this should be as well. And then a, Let me see. Yeah. I mean, this is sensible, and so is sensible. Oh wow, the downthrow thing, amazing. Yeah, when downthrow just came out and I was thinking about playing it, I actually really like the song. Yeah, I mean, I never played downthrow. I should one of these days. Okay, everything here is consistent. Mm, because there was nothing there to be inconsistent. And then let me see. So this is this, and then this is. I mean, the thing is that right now these are both 13 bits, so there should not be any like new or different things. Yeah, I mean, chances. The other thing is that if that were actually just a fluke, that would be so unfun. But that would be that could be the case. Yeah. Okay. So did I use the input anywhere else? Because if I did, then I need to. Okay, let's input valid. I did not read input message anywhere else in here, right? I hope not. Now I just have message I aside from bits of, yeah. I feel like it might be one of my aside from bits. I didn't take a payload or whatever, and then everything fell apart. Let's check all my aside from bits. So okay, I mean this is just a bits. This is not uh in fact I want to check if, yeah, in fact I want to check basically all my bitwise things to a no, but if not, then the thing will just complain. Yeah, yeah, this is not it. Let me think. Or just run it again and the thing will work. Then you'll be even more confusing. But that would be just why it is, right? Okay, this is sensible, and this is, I mean, as sensible as ever going to get. Unless, wait. Test relay, and then they are, no, these are basic, what is it called? These are default parameters, so I did not change them. Okay, then a what else did I? Okay, let me see. Yeah, I feel like this is the exact kind of situation where we just start losing a lot and a lot of same points, because like this is really okay. These are no, like this is fine, right? Because these are a I mean, if I were to have a bug, it might be this, right? Mm, okay, so this is there, and then that might be fine. How about the other direction? Their direction says that the edge. This is a does my check node actually works based on the what is it called? How do I check? Does this is this actually bit based? Because I have a feeling that this is not. How should I? What are my outputs? These are bits. Yeah, okay. So this is right-ish. Where am I? Yeah, it really doesn't feel like I made any changes that changes the, like, I really don't feel like anything I did so far changes the behavior of a thing. I mean, obviously it did because, yeah, but I don't know how to. Hmm. Wait, is this parse in? What are parse in? Parse ins are they are just messages. They are not floats. Um, that is sensible, and this is also sensible. I think, and then this is also sensible. Yeah. So just where is my bug? I know I have a bug, but I couldn't find it. This is so scuffed. This is like beyond scuffed. Uh, I mean, just watch. I'm going to run the thing again. It would just suddenly start working again, and it would be one of those things that people call like Heisen bugs or whatever. Basically, things that you would never be able to find, and it just like bites you sometime, which would be terrible. Okay, so this is what it is, yeah. And then let's see if this actually works the way I think it does. So this is input, this is output, and then I want to say, okay, yeah, this is now this and that, and then I would say that well, first of all, am I actually pushing? I think I am. Yeah, I think I did push. Yeah. Uh, I think I actually did handle the valid bits on the last level, on the telegraph level. Yeah. Let me check. Yeah. This is pushed, so it is. Or is it? Let me see. So oh no, like this is two. So a 2 0. So this is a yeah, this is pushed. So just new. So let's see if everything makes sense here. So I want to say that if I get this, then I will just not convert. I did, yeah. So I wanted to say that this is just a yeah. So I get this and I convert, and then I want to say that this is just where the heck are my bug? I mean, I know I have a bug, I just cannot find it. It's like the worst thing that can ever happen. Unless, uh, no, right? Yeah. But you know what? Let's rerun. I mean, who knows? I mean, the thing is, that if this actually works, then I will. I don't know what to say because that just means that we have a bug that's not reproducible, and that's probably even worse than, yeah, I don't know. Because before I make these changes, the test all passed, right? I mean, that's just like this, yeah. But now they just don't pass anymore, so that is wow. I don't know what to say or what to think about this. Well, let me think. What does this mean here? Wait. So it means the conversion. Actually, yeah. Just what am I testing here? I mean, if a test is so non-deterministic, then this is okay. So what was I testing? I was testing that it does not converge. Let me see. So it is saying that the output is not valid. Um, wait, what? So what is this? This is saying assertion error, output valid boolean. So this is, so you're saying that the vanilla thing converges, but relay doesn't, because I just keep rolling unlucky. Wait. Uh, okay, that is somehow believable, I guess. I don't know if I should believe that. Um, yeah, I don't know if I want to believe that. Like this is entire. Yeah, this is an entire can of worm. Like this is I don't know what to say about this. Um, so we are saying that there's. I mean, yeah, I don't know. I guess that means time to eat macarons and hopefully put the next set. So yes, macaron time. Uh, well, um, hmm, sorry, just thinking. Ew, why? Can I? Okay, okay, yeah, close enough. Yeah, I don't care anymore. I know I should care, but yeah. Or maybe yeah, it's fine if I don't. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, you count like how many times this is not converged. Is this actually just one shot? Oh, number of tests. So I do have a oh 500. Wow. Okay. So how do I do this? Yeah, maybe I should make it at least slightly more robust. By saying what? Let me think. Hmm. What? I want to say what? A After this, I want to say a how do I do like non-integer division? Double, I think. To float. Okay, yeah. Okay. Then what? This thing to float over a hmm, it's less than I don't know a quarter or something. I mean less than 10% probably. So since it's probably more sensible. Yeah. This is the end of a test, right? Yeah. Okay. Good. Yeah. Now the thing should not fail to no reason. Mm, Be funny if this actually just breaks right now. Oh shoot, what on earth? Um, why? Put my nose again. Oh, let me see. That is because wait, hmm, wait, what did I do? Shoot. Hmm, is this better? Okay, I just ate all my macarons. Amazing. Probably making my cough worse because it's sugary. Okay, what do I do now? Add and then amend. For real? Oh, what? Core editor and then Vim, right? You for real? I don't know what to say here. Don't ask. Okay, so where are we? We were thinking or about yeah, what were we even thinking about? We were okay, so refactoring is happening. Uh Part of refactoring is happening, I guess. There's a lot more refactoring to do. I need to kind of like abstract. There's like a million things I need to abstract out. Um, I feel like how long have you been programming? Like, oh, I should not be showing the school stuff. I, I'm just gonna. I'm really tempted to just go play video games because I feel like this is like I don't know. I can always program more tomorrow, right? This is like 11 p.m. Like, I mean, no, like I mean, I'm a night person. I would usually program a lot later. I just don't know if today should be one of those days. Um, Mostly because I'm afraid that if I jump into a next task, then I would just be stuck doing it forever and ever. Well, first of all, this goes here, yeah, and then a to make a control pipeline using parameters. And then what a yeah, I need to do this at some point. This is I mean this should obviously be up here. Everything else stay down there. Yeah. This should probably also be up. Oh, this is going to be really annoying, isn't it? Because the number of legs kind of thing is a well, yeah, this is really strange. Let me think. A because that is hmm yeah, this is like collecting a certain number of solutions, which is fine. Yeah, I might as well just allow a certain number of solutions to be collected. Um, yeah, this might be fine. Does it still like does it still build if I did that? I think so, right? Like when you move things across folder boundaries, it should not do any what is called. Yeah. Okay, so what are we talking about? Piano, well, music teacher, yeah. So the person that I am trying to learn from, he's what is it called? I mean, I actually book a session, uh, a lesson or whatever. So he actually his main instrument is not piano, but I feel like he knows enough about music. I mean, he went to school for music, so I feel like he knows enough about like recording, about practicing, about like the entire pipeline that I should still be learning a lot from him. So that is just kind of how it is. Yeah. Okay, so a yeah. You know what? Maybe I should just first well, hmm. Uh, separate move a I don't know like move non-relay specific pieces or maybe I should just say rearrange. I don't know. Yeah, close enough. I don't know. I don't care. Um, I need to make like $1 million changes. You know what? I've done enough. Like for tomorrow, what is it called? Yeah, I've done enough for tomorrow. So I will play video games. Let me see. Do we want to play World of Warcraft or V-Rising? Um, Either way, I will open a what is it called stream in a few minutes. Let me first log on to World of Warcraft because reset is tomorrow. We are gonna see if there's anything we need to do before reset. If not, we gonna be rising. Yeah, so thank you. I will see you guys like in a few minutes.